welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I will show you a DIY using Dollar Tree organizers. I use them for makeup products and beauty products, but you can use them for anything that you would like. Three of them are actually from Marshalls, but I will point those out to you as we go through the DIY. I use Vintage Gold, Rose Gold to spray paint them to dress them up a bit, make them a little more fabulous, a little more glam. So if you would like to see this DIY, please. These products I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. They were all $1. These last three products shown are actually from Marshalls, but they still were relatively cheap, ranging from $2.99 to $7.99. These two cans of spray paint were $5.76 from Home Depot. I only used one can, not even the entire can, for this project. In the next clips, you will see me spray painting these products. The only products that you won't see me spray painting are the ones from Marshall. These are how the products look after spray painting and waiting for them to dry overnight. These are the products from the Dollar Tree. Turned out pretty good. The last three you will see are from Marshalls, and I did not show you on camera me spray painting them, but they turned out beautiful as well. I am very happy how this turned out. This is how I use my products. This is my first time using spray paint and doing a DIY with it. I do not have a vanity, so this is what my dresser top looks like.